Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I've done a little bit of Jack Sparrow running. Now, before we get started, let's run the intro. But today, well, as you can see, it's daytime. I know usually I do it at nighttime. It's because when I get off of work. But today, I had the day off because the daggum system went out at work and nationwide. So, got a day off, which sucks really bad. Today, we are officially going to run the wiring harness to the stuff, to the motor. I got my switch panel, I got my fuse panel, I got distribution blocks, I got a whole entire headlight harness kit for this, and I got the engine harness. It's a wire tuck, mil spec. I got a lot of stuff, but that's pretty much what we're going to do, is then I'll install all that. So let's get to it. Alright, so what we're going to do right now is do a good old unboxing on this good old stuff. I got a good bit of stuff. A lot. Like I said, I got the harness and everything. So, first thing is stuff from Wire. As you can see, got my connectors for my dash and stuff. Take this out. Got my switch panel, connectors, got my whole entire fuse block for it, all the connectors. Got the 20 pin, you got the switch panel one, you got the main 12, you got the dash, meaning RPM, speed, and whatnot, and then you got the good old auxiliary out. Then that's that box. Now we're hopping into box number 2. What we got in here, we got headlight wiring kit. It's made for H4 bulbs. It's got the connectors on it and everything. It's got relays with it. And it's got the loom, which I got a lot more loom. And this is made by them. Alright. So that's for my headlights. Alright. Now I got some 1/4 inch thick ABS plastic. This is what I'm going to mount the block on. The relays for the headlight harnesses, because they're going to be on the inside. And my secondary 12 volt cutoff switch, because I'm going to have one in the car. I'm going to have one at the back of the car. So that's the ABS. Then I thought I didn't have enough wire, so I added up by 16 gauge wire in different colors, white, yellow, and whatnot. Each one of these rolls are 50 feet. 50 feet. I kind of went overboard. I don't know. Then got my distribution blocks, positive, negative. This is where I'm going to run all my links to the power for certain things in this box, the power for the headlights, because I'm going to run to a switch on the switch panel, and then on top of it, whatever else I got put to it. Then I got my secondary 12 volt cutoff switch. This is what's going to go on that ABS plastic to where whenever I get in a wreck or whatever, if I'm still conscious or whatnot, it don't matter. I could just go ahead and just hit the power. Fuel and ECU, everything we cut off. That's what I got that for. I got another one in the house that's going on the back. Then I got my good old 150 piece copper tip connectors with red and black heat shrink. Heat shrink. Comes all the way down to the smallest to the biggest of daggum wire from 16 gauge. Yeah, I got 11 pieces of 10 gauge 1/4, 5/16, like the whole 9 yards. And that's gonna be for all the wiring of that. And that's pretty much it. So y'all about to see again how much shit I got for this. And then to top it all off with all that stuff, you got the good old wiring harness. It's the wire mil-spec wire tuck harness. Goes to all of that. Completely connects, plugs and plays, and put power to it, and you should be able to start your stuff up. So if you've been following for a little bit, you'll know that the whole entire inside is completely gutted out. See, completely gutted out. Okay, now that the little minions got out of the way, here you go. Completely gutted out. Everything. Cause I'm doing a whole bunch of cutting on it and all that. So what we're gonna do is build this whole entire harness thing and everything, which I'm probably gonna, but before I do that, I gotta get the dash all situated and all that. But other than that, that's pretty much what we're gonna do. So let's get at it. Alright, so right now we're gonna get the engine on the harness all in, rerouted. Try to plug it up. You can see we're going to put it in through here, all right there. See how it's ran. Get it all nice and neat inside, and then go on to the next thing. So here we go. Now that I got that engine harness all wired up, I gotta get up the daggum dash before I put it in. So let's go grab the dash. Well, as you can see, I got the dash, as you can see. Now, let's get the good old stripping the insides out, but I gotta make sure I keep some of these wires for the dash all good and intact to where I still got my dash for the gauge cluster, if you know what I mean. I still gotta know the speed and everything, so let's get to it. You know what? Screw the dash. Screw it. Get rid of it. Well, I think that's going to be it for tonight. Or this video. I got to order some more stuff for this bad boy. Because I can't really do nothing else. So, I guess we're going to call it a night. And we'll hop back on it whenever we get everything else. Because I got to get a good bit for it. But other than that, like, subscribe, go grab some merch, and remember, have at it.